Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Christy Lynn Beck, an executive with Zyia Active, an independent rep. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to process an exchange or a return. So what we're going to want to do is go into order history, and we will grab an order number here. Sorry, we need one that's already shipped. So we're going to grab an order number. We are going to go into place an order, returns, new pending return, and we're going to put that order number right in this box. We can only do an exchange or a return within 30 days of the order being placed, so we will look that up. Okay, we will see the information right here, and we can do multiple things. So what we can do is we can refund, and it'll refund the customer, and it will charge them a $2 restocking fee. Or we can exchange it for a different item or a different size. Even if it's just a different size, you're going to place exchange for a different item. Pick the reasoning, say we ordered the wrong size, and then we can put in the correct size. Okay, click add. The item is clearly out of stock, so all right, let's try that again. We're going to do wrong size. Let's try that again. Let's just go the other way. Perfect. It'll say it's successfully added. Close the window here. We'll continue to the next page. If it is the same exact item, they will still ask for card information, but they will not charge them. If it is a different item, what they will do is they will refund the amount of the item that they purchased and then recharge them for the new item. So we'll continue to the next page. We'll get their information. And then we will select their card information, okay? It's not going to charge them at this time, not until it's processed. And then we will save. This time you can press print down here. It's going to pull up a document. You can either send them this actual document to print, or the main thing that they will need to have on a piece of paper in there in the original bags with tags is the return ID and your rep ID. And then they will mail it back to this address. Your customers are responsible for mailing back the products themselves, and then Zyia ships it back to them for free. As a courtesy, you can use something like PayPal, Ship, or Shipping Easy to pay for shipping for your customer. And we can show you, I can send you a video tutorial on how to do that. It's about, for one item, it's about $3.50 to $4, depending on where you're shipping from, to ship this item back for your customer as just a little extra touch. If you'd like to check on your returns, you can just scroll down and check on your returns down here at the bottom as they're processed. I hope this video was helpful and helps you process your first exchange or return. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I can be found on Instagram at Christy Lynn Beck, on the web at ChristyLynnBeck.com, and on Facebook, Christy Lynn Beck. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.